Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Trust Wallets account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Trust Wallets account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Trust Wallet application. The home page of Trust Wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top left corner of the page. You will end up on the settings page of your Trust Wallets account. Click on your wallet at the top of the page. On the next page, tap on Main Wallet 1 option. Now to delete your Trust Wallets account, tap on dustbin icon at the top right corner of the screen. Confirm deletion of your wallet by tapping on delete once again. This is how you can delete your Trust Wallets account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.